Hi guys, here's a lead into my new song, new instrumental. Instrumental to my new song is called Mitaki How to Shiver. My new song coming up called English Lovely Earrings or something like that. So here's a lead into it. Hope you're gonna like this part. Okay, hope you're gonna enjoy it. Looking forward to that number coming out soon. Oi, will I?